Good evening, class. How are you today? I need you to get out this stem and leaf plots to interpret data note sheet. So yesterday we learned how to make stem and leaf plots. And today we're going to use them to find mean, mode, median, and range. So this is the first one. It says the stem and leaf plot below shows the ounces of potato chips available in various bags of potato chips. Find the mean, mode, median, and range. Round the mean to the nearest tenth. So you're looking for, the first one that you want to look for is the mode, because the mode is the easiest to see. It's the one that you see the most. So if you look here, you'll see that you have 1, 2, 3 number ones, match with that 0, so it's 1. You have 2 number 2s, you have 2 number 3s, so the one you see the most here is the number 1. The range would be the next easiest, which is your biggest number minus your smallest number. Your biggest number is that 17, and your smallest number is 1, so my range is 16. The median would be next, and then I'm just going to cross off going back and forth, like so. And then we get the median right here, which is the middle between 6 and 8, so my median is 7. Now the mean is never pretty or fun. You have to add all those numbers. So I'm going to do these real quick. 14, 19, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26. That's my first row. And then I have 10, 12, 13, 13, 15, 17. That's 10. That's 20. Carry my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 80. 80 and 26 is 106. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers. 106 divided by 14. 7, 8, 2, that's 98. Do some math magic. I get 80. And that goes in about 8 times, I think. No, not 8 times, 6 times. 6 times, that would be 4, 24, that would be 80. That would be the closest. It's going to round up. It's going to be 7.5 something, but it says to round to the nearest tenth, so it is 7.6. Okay, let's look at another one. It says, oops, I'm not sure what I'm doing there. The stem and leaf plot below shows the amount of money Rebecca made each day selling spirit cups for a fundraiser. She is going to sell cups for one more day. How much will she need to have an average of $125 in sales? So it's telling us that we need to find average, which is just another word for mean. So first of all, we have to figure out how many cups she has sold. So she has 108, 115, 125, 128, 131, and 136. Now, in order to do this, we have to find, at least we have to start to find the mean. So we're going to add up all these numbers, and I'm cheating using a calculator sitting here because I don't want to do all that math right now. 131 plus 136 equals. Okay, that's 625. Now, I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So 625 divided by 6 would be 104. But that's not really what they want. They want to know, how much do I need to sell to get 125 per day? I've already sold for 6 days, so I'm going to sell for 7. So I want to figure out what my average would be if I managed to sell for $125 per day for 7 days. So I'm going to multiply this out. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1. I need 875. In order to find this missing piece of data, you need to subtract how much you've already sold from 825, and you find out that she has to sell 250. Does that seem right? That seems a lot. 108. I bet I did something wrong. Awesome. 108 plus 115 plus 125 plus 128 plus 131 plus 136 equals. Oh yeah, see, I can't even use a calculator right. Okay, then we do 125 times 7 was 875. There we go. This looks better. She needs to sell $132 on her last day. Okay, we're going to do letter C, and then the rest of this we'll work on in class. Okay, Marcus constructed the stem and leaf plot based on the data in the list below. What percentage of cities received more than 3 inches of precipitation? Round to the nearest tenth of percent. So we need to create our stem and leaf, and then I'm going to do, my key is, I don't know, 1 line 2 equals 12. So I have 1, 2, 3 twos, 4 twos, a 3, a 3, a 4, a 4, a 6, and then my 10s are 10 and 12. Okay, so we want to know how many received more than 3 inches. So we're not going to look at any of this data right here. We want just the rest of the data. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of data that is greater than 3 inches. And so I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of data. So 5 out of 12 give us our decimal. So I have a fraction. I need to divide that. 5 divided by 12. 12 goes into 5 4 times. That's 48. 12 goes into 20 1 time. That's 12. 12 goes into 80 6 times, and then it starts repeating. So we want to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So I have 0.416. If I round to the nearest tenth of a percent, remember I need to the right, 41.6, repeating percent, round 41.7%. Okay, that's all I got for you tonight. You guys have a great night, and I will see you in class tomorrow.